Let's talk about YouTube income, and I'm gonna be extremely transparent. How much did I make as a small YouTube channel about minimalism and productivity during this year? Get ready, because this might shock you. Did I make 6 figures and bought a new apartment, or just a decent cup of coffee? I will let you know very soon, but first I want to show you about this journey. Starting a minimalist YouTube channel is not only about sitting in an empty room with 3 books and 1 plant. It's difficult and the pain is real. You have to be consistent, you're a beginner, you don't know how to start, you don't know what you should be doing. Are you doing it right, or are you simply working in vain? And on top of this, also you have your life that gets in the way. Probably people think that, yeah, content creation is simply you turn on your camera and you talk and that's it, you start earning money. Have you ever tried to film with your phone and on a stack of books and waiting for the sunlight just to light your video? And let's not forget about all the struggle you're putting, and you're making this effort and you're trying to be as creative as possible, and then you upload your video and the views are like your bank balance. Now everyone thinks that once you start a YouTube channel, YouTube is gonna start throwing money at you. Spoiler alert, this is not how it works. Just for the people who don't know, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours, just so you know what I'm talking about, is like having a small town watching your videos twice. And even if I hit these numbers, ad revenue is extremely minimal. It's not like a budget, you know. You get paid fraction of a dollar for every 1,000 views. Now, the big reveal. How much did I actually make on this channel? Which, by the way, I really like. After endless hours of scripting, filming, editing, uploading, and hoping for one day the algorithm will bless me. Drum roll, please. So again, this year, I made a total of $0. This is so beautiful. It aligns with my minimalism channel. You know, it's minimalistic for my bank account. $0. No clutter whatsoever in my bank account. Now here are the real reasons why I made this video. In fact, there are 2 main reasons you have to know about. The first one is to show you that after 3 years I've been working on this channel and getting no monetization, I still upload once weekly at least, whether it's a short form content or a long form content. And I try to always be making videos with high quality, high production. I'm changing the lights, and if you can see, I bought another one here just to give this bluish vibe, and then there's here the yellow one. So as you can see, I am always trying to upgrade and improve the quality and the production, even if this will never be rewarding money-wise. And this is exactly why I am able to film for 3 years. And you know, it's taking a lot of time, consistency and scripting and everything, editing. I am able to do that consistently for 3 years without getting anything in return. I mean anything by money-wise, okay? But I'm getting a lot of other things in return, not materialistic things. But because I enjoy the journey, I like filming, I like editing and scripting and putting all this work, I enjoy it. It's not a pain. I'm not doing it to get monetized at the end. This would be an extra. I would be very happy if this happens. But my life does not rely on a YouTube channel. I'm enjoying my life. I have a job, which I like very much. And this YouTube channel is an add-on to everything I am doing. I like to create some quality content. And even if I get 40 or 50 views, most of the time I get very positive feedback from these people. They tell me that I started working out because of you, or I started decluttering my room and it feels so much better. Many things I have changed in my life because of you. And this really means a lot. It's a platform where I can express freely my thoughts and where I can share with you the things that I have read and discovered during this journey. I know there are many strategies you can make to increase the views and the subscribers and get, you know, all this algorithm playing in your favor, but I found myself that whenever I do that, I'm forcing myself to create things that I'm not really enjoying. This is why, again, I still make content that I enjoy, and those few people that watch are also enjoying. And now the second reason why I made this video, because sometimes it's okay to get along the algorithm. And in general, making videos about YouTube is rewarding because it gets some views. And now this video about how much I made on YouTube as a small YouTuber and creator might catch up on the algorithm, hopefully. And I will take this opportunity to also share with you where this channel is going from now on. So probably I will decrease a bit the retention editing. I will not be editing heavily. Like every 1 to 2 seconds, something will pop up or a sound effect will arise. Because these do work on YouTube. They keep the viewer watching. But I found it a bit unethical from my side to do that all the time. It is good to have some sort of editing so the viewer will not be bored, but it's important for you as a viewer to be in fact choosing to view and watch this video and not be attached to this video just because you are being overstimulated. So if I really want to be more transparent with you and ethical, which aligns with my values, I should not be doing this, although this might grab your attention more, but you will not be mindful about what you're watching. You might be simply attached to this video or dragged into watching it. So I will keep things simpler, more natural, less edited, while always, of course, adding a touch to make it polished a bit. And in that way, I can be focusing more on the idea and the content of the video more than simply the editing of it. So I can share with you much more stuff, be more consistent and enjoying the process together. And next year, you're gonna see me here and I will update you about the numbers. See you.